Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.